In this video, we'll show you how to resolve issues with media player not working on Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. It can be quite frustrating when media player isn't functioning, so make sure to follow this full tutorial to fix the problem. To begin, click on the search icon at the bottom and type in Media Player. Next, right-click on the Media Player app and choose App Settings. A new window will pop up, and from there, scroll down. The first step is to click Terminate to ensure the app is fully closed. Once that's done, click on Repair and wait for the process to finish. After repairing, scroll down again and select Reset. Confirm the reset. Keep in mind this will delete any data, but don't worry, it's part of the fix. Once it's done, you can close the settings and check if the issue has been resolved. Now, try searching for Media Player again and see if it's working properly. Hopefully, the problem you were experiencing is fixed. If this guide was helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day!